Hello, my name is Juan Pablo. I am 23 years old and currently live in Argentina Huila with my parents. I am business administration student, passionate, learning and personal growth. In my free times, I enjoy reading books that help my groups as personal and watching movies to relax. Throughout my journey, I have balanced my study with managing my own farm, where I cultivate various crops, and I have also traded fruit to support my studies. This experience have strengthened my entrepreneurial skills and taught me valuable life lessons. Short-term goals: I will finish my degree, expand my farm, and improve my guitar skills. Next year, I plan to buy more crops and open a market for my community. In the next few years, I will build my own house and continue volunteering in community projects to improve my leadership skills. Long-term goals: I by 35 I want to speak fluent English, travel internationally with my wife, and have a stable and happy family. And I plan to build a strong financial foundation and implement circular economy models on my large farms, benefiting my community and the environment. I am committed to achieving my goals, improving my community, and becoming a successful entrepreneur. Thanks you for listening to my journey.